The new Tier 4 final D155Ax-8 Dozer incorporates well-proven Komatsu engine emissions technology that does not interfere with daily operation. Class-leading engine horsepower, large-capacity Sigma Dozer blade and automatic lock-up torque converter efficiently move massive amounts of material while using less fuel than prior model. The operator cab is loaded with features to help maintain operator comfort during the workday. With operating weights between 38,000 kilograms and 43,000 kilograms and a net 264 kilowatts, the D155Ax-8 is powered by a Komatsu SA6 D140E7 engine, which is EU Stage 4 emissions certified. Still more productive, dependable and efficient, the Komatsu EU Stage 4 engines are built on a solid foundation initiated in 1996 with the introduction of Komatsu's Tier 1 engines. The more environmentally friendly D155Ax-8 crawler dozer leverages Komatsu's leadership in technology and innovation with high levels of performance and reduced fuel consumption and operating costs. Komatsu's EU Stage 4 engines are built on the strength of its proven EU Stage 5 foundation. By integrating selective catalyst reduction, the EU Stage 4 engine further reduces NOx emissions by using diesel exhaust fluid. An advanced electronic control system manages the engine's airflow rate, fuel injection, combustion parameters. The after-treatment functions optimize performance, reduce emissions, and provide advanced diagnostic capability. The result is lower fuel consumption with no loss of performance. Komatsu continues to use a Komatsu variable geometry turbocharger and an exhaust gas recirculation valve for more precise temperature and air management control and longer component life. To ensure product reliability and durability in demanding conditions, Komatsu developed the entire system, including the control software, which is critical to the effective operation of the after-treatment system. This control system is also integrated into the machine's onboard diagnostics systems and in contracts, Komatsu's standard telematics system. The D155Ax-8 is equipped with Sigma Dozer blade, which gives the machine a high blade capacity of 9.4 cubic meter. Sigma Dozer dramatically improves dozing performance and increases productivity by up to 15% over a conventional semi-U blade. The blade features a frontal design concept for digging and rolling material in the center of the blade. Soil holding capacity is increased and digging resistance is reduced for a smoother flow of material. Larger amounts of soil can be dozed with less power. The D155Ax-8 has an automatic gearshift transmission and lock-up torque converter that greatly reduces fuel consumption and provides exceptional powertrain efficiency. The lock-up torque converter automatically transfers engine power directly to the transmission, decreasing fuel consumption by up to 10% while machine power is maintained. Komatsu's ergonomically designed Palm Command Control System gives operators maximum control, offering a relaxed posture and superb fine control to eliminate operator fatigue. Thumb push buttons simplify transmission gear shifting. The electronic blade and ripper control joystick offer excellent machine control. The ripper now incorporates a new auto-return function to increase operator efficiency when ripping. The D155Ax-8 uses an electronic control powertrain system that significantly improves operation and productivity. Powerful turns under various work conditions are achieved with the hydrostatic steering system. Counter rotation is available while in neutral for minimum turning radius, providing excellent maneuverability. When operating in adverse conditions such as uneven ground, a K-bogie undercarriage system keeps the correct alignment between the rollers and links for a smoother ride as well as longer component life. The new crawler dozer's comfortable working environment allows the operator to concentrate on the work at hand for increased productivity. A high-capacity air suspension seat with heat is standard. The large cab is integrated with ROPS for excellent side visibility. The dozer's cab mounts reduce shocks and vibration, even in adverse conditions, and the interior cab noise level is very low, for a noticeably quiet working environment. A newly enhanced high-resolution large-color 7-inch LCD monitor in the cab displays all machine information. A rear-view monitoring system is standard and can be set to synchronize with reverse operation. The D155Ax-8 is equipped with the latest Comtrax remote monitoring technology with data access via the web or via Comtrax mobile on your smartphone. In addition to providing data such as fuel levels, operating hours, location, cautions and maintenance alerts, Comtrax was further enhanced to monitor diesel exhaust fluid levels, KDPF regeneration and fuel theft. The operator identification system reports key operating information for multiple operators, and the auto idle shutdown function helps to lower operating costs by reducing unnecessary idle time. All new Komatsu EU Stage 4 machines come with Komatsu Care, a complimentary maintenance program for Komatsu customers. Thank you for watching the video. See you in another video.